This is a Motorola XPR-4350. This runs on UHF. UHF. It's not programmed for my area, but P1, P2, channel down, channel up. There's a yellow light flashing on the left, which means it's ready. It's in standby receive mode. If I key the mic, it goes to transmit. Programming is the responsibility of the buyer, not the responsibility of me. The antenna output is mini UHF. It does come with the power cable that runs from the radio to the power source, and it's terminated with battery clamps. Volume. Works fine. On off. Works fine. There you go.